Alright, I wanted to make a quick video of how to remove the radio of the 2010 Chevy Tahoe. You're going to need a trim tool removal and I believe maybe a size 8mm. I'm not too sure. Don't have the sockets with me, but I was using some needle noses to get these screws loose. Anyways, let's go ahead and begin. You're going to have to find an edge and try to pry this in here and make your way all the way around, all the way around, all the way around. Then this pops off. As you can see, it has various clips all along the edges. Once you have that removed, I think it's an 8. Like I said, I use these needle nose because I don't have the tools with me. I am at a customer's house and the radio is messing up a little bit, so I'm gonna take this off and see what's up. Anyways, after you remove these screws, radio should come out. Do note that you have to remove all of these in order to get the radio out, just for the simple fact that each one is overlapping each other. Yay, I don't know why they would do that. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, because I don't have any tools with me, I just try to make this as easy as possible. It would be a lot easier if I was able to remove these, but I didn't. All I did was pick up the radio, pull it forward and pick it up, and bypass these little tabs here, and out comes the radio. And that is how you remove the radio on a 2010 Chevy Tahoe. All you gotta do now is just remove the pigtails. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.